Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to deactivate or close your LinkedIn account in 2025. So whether you are taking a break or leaving the platform completely, here is exactly how you can do it. So first of all, you need to come on linkedin.com and over here you need to simply log in into your account using your email address and your password. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to simply hover over to the top and click on your profile icon. Now, you need to click on the option of settings and privacy. Now, once you are in settings of your LinkedIn account, you will see this left hand section where you need to make sure that you are in the account preferences. Now, here in account preferences, you need to scroll down and keep on scrolling down. In the bottom, you will see the account management section. Over here, you will see two different options. The first is the hibernate account and the second one is the close account. So you need to click on the hibernate account if you want to temporarily deactivate your account. After clicking on hibernate, simply click on the hibernate option. Select the reason why are you doing it. Then press next in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, you need to provide the password associated with your account, and this way you will be able to hibernate your account or deactivate your account. If you face any kind of problem while deactivating it, you can click on the help center option and you can contact to the LinkedIn customer support team. If you want to permanently delete your account, you need to simply just go back and click on the close account option. Then you need to press continue over here. Afterwards, you need to select why are you actually closing your account. So among the given reasons, you will have to select the one that best suits you. Afterwards, again, you need to provide the password associated with your LinkedIn account and then click on this check box in order to unsubscribe to the terms and conditions. Then click on the done option over here and you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully close your account. Now be aware that closing your account deletes your profile, the connections and your messages permanently. So this is how you can basically deactivate or delete your LinkedIn account in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.